Life on Fleming Island, Florida, offers a beautiful blend of peaceful neighborhoods, scenic waterfronts, and convenient access to nearby cities. Yet, even in such an ideal community, noise can still be a challenge, whether it's traffic from US Highway 17, construction in growing areas, or the everyday sounds of a busy neighborhood. For homeowners seeking to restore calm and comfort, noise-reducing windows offer an excellent solution. Designed with advanced technology to block unwanted sound, these windows provide a quieter, more serene indoor environment while also improving energy efficiency and home value. Here's everything you need to know about how noise-reducing window options can transform life in Fleming Island homes. How noise-reducing windows work. Noise-reducing windows, sometimes called acoustic or soundproof windows, are specifically engineered to minimize the amount of sound that passes through the glass and frame. Unlike standard single-pane windows, which let in a wide range of outdoor noise, these windows use multiple layers of protection to block and absorb sound vibrations. The key features that make them effective include double or triple panes of glass, which create barriers to sound waves. Laminated glass, which includes a sound-dampening interlayer that absorbs noise instead of transmitting it. Air or argon gas fills between panes that reduce sound resonance. Tight, insulated seals that prevent noise from leaking through small gaps. These elements work together to reduce exterior noise by up to 50% or more, depending on the window type and installation quality. Enjoying peace and quiet in every room. In Fleming Island's family-friendly neighborhoods, outdoor activity is common. Kids playing outside, dogs barking, or neighbors mowing lawns. While these sounds are part of everyday life, they can become intrusive indoors. Noise-reducing windows help create a peaceful atmosphere throughout your home, allowing you to relax, work, or sleep without constant interruptions. Bedrooms become restful sanctuaries where you can sleep through early morning noise. Home offices stay quieter for improved focus during remote work or online meetings. Living rooms remain peaceful, even when outdoor activity is high. By controlling the noise level indoors, you can enjoy the comfort and calm your Fleming Island home was meant to provide. Energy efficiency and comfort go hand in hand. Noise reduction isn't the only advantage of upgrading your windows. Most noise-reducing models are also energy efficient, offering year-round comfort in Florida's hot, humid climate. The same multi-pane design that blocks sound also reduces heat transfer. Low emissivity glass coatings reflect infrared light, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Combined with insulated frames and professional installation, you'll notice more stable indoor temperatures and lower energy bills. That means you're not only getting peace and quiet but also improving comfort and reducing energy waste, an upgrade that benefits both your home and your wallet. Popular window styles for noise reduction. Fortunately, homeowners don't have to sacrifice style for silence. Noise-reducing technology can be integrated into a variety of window designs, including double-hung windows, a timeless favorite with excellent insulation when upgraded with laminated glass. Casement windows. Hinged on one side, these provide an airtight seal when closed, keeping sound and air out. Sliding windows. Ideal for modern homes, these can be fitted with double panes and soundproofing features. Picture windows. Large, fixed windows that showcase outdoor views while blocking noise efficiently. Your installer can recommend the best options based on your home's layout, neighborhood, and aesthetic preferences. The importance of professional installation. Even the best noise-reducing window won't perform properly without professional installation. Expert installers ensure a perfect fit and airtight seal, preventing gaps that allow noise and air leaks. A trusted local installer familiar with Fleming Island's building standards and climate conditions can help you choose windows designed to handle both humidity and exterior noise. Professional installation also ensures that your investment performs at its best for years to come. A smart investment for Fleming Island families. In addition to improving daily comfort, noise-reducing windows can also increase your property's value. Buyers appreciate homes that offer modern energy efficiency and a quiet, restful environment, especially in communities near busier areas. With their combination of comfort, beauty, and long-term performance, noise-reducing windows are one of the most rewarding home upgrades you can make. Final thoughts for homeowners in Fleming Island. Investing in noise-reducing windows is a simple way to create a more peaceful, comfortable, and efficient home. These advanced window systems help block outdoor noise, stabilize temperatures, and elevate your quality of life, all while adding style and value to your property. When installed by professionals, noise-reducing windows turn your home into a true retreat from the outside world, allowing your family to enjoy every moment in quiet comfort.